Hi guys, this is the Brahmaputra bridge. You can see this is the video which I am taking in my mobile. So I will show you the comparison between a mobile video and the drone videos. So this was a very good picnic spot. So I was sitting there in one of the benches there, and I operated my drone. We got some very good footage. I'm sharing it with you guys. You can watch and enjoy. If you guys like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Polar Man Studio. Thank you, cheers and peace.